Hello Virgo sign, welcome to your monthly reading. So Virgo, this reading is for the month of December. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Virgo, hindi lahat ng Virgo maka-resonate sa reading na to. So takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Virgo sign. So put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. Virgo, if hindi kayo naka-resonate ngayon, please, if hindi kayo naka-resonate dito, please to check your other placement. It's your Sun, your Moon, your Rising, your Venus sign dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate at hindi dito. Virgo, if hindi kayo naka-resonate at all, naguguluhan kayo sa reading, then this reading is not for you. So Virgo, I'm going to pull an oracle card. What is your future self reading? Love reading edition. So para to lang sa future self about relationship. Future relationship or anything. Let's see. Virgo. Situation ninyo ngayon. Virgo. Let's see. Virgo. Situation. Virgo. History. Past happened. Virgo. So might be this is with someone from the past, Virgo. You might be dealing with someone from the past or previous relationship. So let's see. Virgo. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Virgos, you are single right now. So, para to sa mga single people na Virgo. Virgo, ito na nga. What am I like right now? You are single and I think nasa point ka ng parang focusing on your goal, reaching your goal, something. You are happy. Happy ka naman ngayon sa pagiging single mo. Yet, I think, medyo somehow, sometimes, may naalala ka sa past mo, relationship. Where something na wala naman na, kumbaga, umalis ka na dito or may umalis na emotionally. So, naghiwalay. Kaya nga single ka na ngayon. So, I think you have, para lang sa sarili mo, this time around, kailangan ko nang umalis emotionally from this person, sa feelings ko sa kanya. So, parang, it's time for me to totally move on na talaga. To start a new beginning ng buhay ko. Kasi feeling ko, inaantay mo pa tong person na to eh. Tong past person na to. Tapos, napagod ka na siguro mag-antay. And then, hindi pa kayo nag-uusap. Until now, tagal na. So, parang nasa'yo is like, nakapag-heal ka na. It's time for me to heal. It's time for me to move forward. Focus on my goals in life. Might be, this time, kailangan ko na din natanggapin na natuldukan na yung sa amin talaga. So, in the future, or your future self, like, magiging happy ka in a way in the future, Virgo. So, this is your future self, like, you are celebrating, might be sa success mo, with your friends, family, self. So, though may mga challenges in a way, I think ang nagiging challenges sa'yo dito, Virgo, is yung paghahanap ng someone in your life. Someone na karapat-dapat para sa'yo. Someone na magmamahal sa'yo ng totoo. So, though, yung pagiging single mo, okay ka na eh. Okay ka, happy ka. Dito ka nag-struggle, pero parang para sa'yo na ang bigat ng mabigat pa rin, parang kulang pa din. Might be you are really willing na talaga to have someone na seryoso in a way, kahit na. Pero I think even in the near future, you will stay single, pero okay ka na sa buhay mo, yet parang malungkot ka, parang kulang in a way. You still like someone na mamahalin ka, na makakaramdam ka ng pagmamahal ng iba, or makakasal ba, ganyan. So, what is your current situation? Let's see. So, what is your current situation here? So, nasa point ka ngayon talaga of healing. And, there is someone from the past or recent person mo na to. Na might be someone na might be Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Someone na medyo hindi siya a loyal person, could be, and easy-go-lucky na tao, though kung pagka sa itsura, may itsura naman, pero kaya nga siguro masyado siyang confident sa sarili niya na may nagkakagusto sa kanyang iba, and nagiging siya unfaithful. So with this person kasi nasa point na umalis, so may nangyari sigurong away sa inyong dalawa. Might be about jealous, could be clarities about cheating, disappointments, trapped in a situation, binagsabay siguro kayong dalawa, and as a point ka ngayon of healing. So you have walked away calmly sa situation na to, sa relasyon na to. Feeling ko itong person na to, nagtry pa siya na kausapin ka, balikan ka, pero parang feeling ko on your part, hindi, parang nagalit ka siguro, hindi mo siya pinansin until nawala na siya. Na instead of you are really waiting for this person na mag-prove or mag-effort talaga na not pilitin, kumbaga, to chase you, na magkabalikan kayong dalawa. Nung time siguro na isang beses mo lang siyang inayawan, di na siya nagparamdam sa'yo. Kaya naghintay ka dito sa kanya Naghintay ka sa kanya, and then hindi na siya bumalik pa. That past person. So, what you should spend less time on so you can evolve as a person? Waiting. Spend less time on waiting. So, you need to have some enlightenment sa buhay mo this time. Na wala ka nang dapat antayin pa. So, kasi lalo ka lang madi-disappoint, lalo na pag-iisipin mo yung pangako niya sa'yo. So, you really need to decide na talaga, like, eto ngayon, you really need to decide na talaga to move forward. And saan ka dapat mag-spend more time on accepting the truth talaga. In having some transformation in you, in your life. And magpatuloy na, moving forward and never look back. So I think if carry mo na to take the leap of faith, you need to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of your life na. So spend more time on planning things para sa'yo, sa future mo, sa career mo, to have a new beginning na din, and success as well. So, what you should remember to do so you can set yourself up in the future. You should remember that one day in the future could be meron at meron ding darating sa'yo na someone na mag-e-effort para sa'yo. Someone na ipoprove niya yung sarili niya sa'yo, na someone who will prioritize you and do anything for you. Okay? So, you should remember that. And what you should remember as well for yourself to do so is much better na mag-focus ka daw in reaching your goals, having this confident na maging strong person, magpatuloy sa buhay towards your new beginning in life. Tudukan yung mga dapat tudukan. So, parang you should need to do na parang kailangan mong gawin yung lakas loob. Magkaroon ka ng lakas loob na natudukan to at magpatuloy sa buhay confidently, strongly, and also na para sa changes na din to sa buhay mo. So, what you should let go of to become the best version of yourself. You need to let go of yung bang parang maybe you are someone na parang naglalakas loob pa na ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin kahit hindi na kaya. So, pagdating sa relasyon, kasi this is relationship edition eh. So, kailangan mo daw i-let go yun. Kung nasa point ka na ng buhay mo na parang hindi na healthy in a way para sa'yo. Nasa point ka na ng buhay mo na parang ikaw na lang yung humahawak, nag-hold on. Kung nasa point ka na ng buhay mo na parang ikaw na lang yung parang gumagalaw, then you should let go of this na din. So, para wag mo na to dalhin pa sa future relationship mo. You should remember na you are brave enough para hindi ka maipit sa sitwasyon. And, yeah, para hindi ka din maloko, mapagsinungalingan. Kasi 'di ba pag nagtitiis tayo sa isang relasyon, na alam naman natin na hindi na healthy pero nandyan pa din tayo. Minsan kasi may mga lalaki na may mga tao na para nag-aantay na lang kung kailan tayo give up. So, may relasyon. Kahit ramdam mo na parang wala na to, hindi na to, walang chance na to. Pero nandyan ka pa din na baka okay pa at pinapakita mo sa iba na okay pa kami kahit hindi na. So, minsan, naiipit ka sa sitwasyon. Minsan, napagsisinungalingan ka na. Kasi kagustuhan mo yan na para magkaayos lang kayo ulit eh. So, sometimes, hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili mo. Pag hindi mo na kaya, i-let go mo na. So, what does your future self want to give you credit for? I think in the future, may darating sa'yo. Merong darating na, hindi ko lang alam kung ito ay meant to be because this is the Emperor and the Empress. So, may darating sa'yo na someone naka-compatible mo in the future. Could be someone na magbibigay magic sa buhay mo. And someone, a new beginning for you. Someone who can focus on your relationship. Focus on loving you could be. Matagal pa to, medyo mag-aantay pa talaga kung mag-aantay ka. Kaya, instead of waiting for this person or this right person, focus ka muna sa ano yung mga kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin sa buhay, especially your finances and career, your goals in life, especially your happiness, heal as well. So, parang focus ka din on loving yourself more physically, emotionally, and mentally and spiritually. So, learn from your lessons. You know, yung mga bagay na yan, hindi man naman yan madali gawin eh. It takes a process talaga para makuha mo lahat ng yan. So, doon ka muna mag-focus. And this person, darating din yan sa tamang panahon na hindi mo siya kailangan antayin, hindi mo kailangan hanapin. So, may potential ka to accomplish this in the future because you are someone who is really like parang you understand things, you know. Patience nandyan din sa'yo. I think you are that someone, Virgo. So, kaya might be in the future you can achieve this goal na meron ka na makahanap ka ng taong karapat-dapat para sa'yo. Kasi ikaw, Virgo, I know that Virgo is really like they focus more on their career, their goals in life. But I know Virgo also wants someone to be there for them, to support them in parang in the path na tatahakin nila. Because I think in a relationship, yung gusto ng Virgo is may magsusupport sa kanya. Nandyan lang para sa kanya. Natahakin yung success niya. Kasi pag once na nandun siya sa point of successful na and kung sino yung nandyan at hindi siya iniiwan, yun yung dadalhin niya towards his or her success. So Virgo, you might be dealing here with Libra or Taurus, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Aquarius, same Virgo, Cancer, Pisces, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, I'm going to pull an oracle card. Love message oracle card for Virgo. Oops. Okay. Playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together. Remember, love is the greatest healer. So, wag masyadong bugnutin, Virgo. You know, Virgo they are bugnutin. May mga Virgo talaga na medyo grumpy in a way. Pero, as sabi dito ng oracle card is, laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun. Wag din masyadong sobrang focus into things. Sometimes you need to have your freedom. Go out with your friends, with your family, you know. Yes, love is the greatest healer, pero wag naman to the point na magtitiis ka at kahit na hindi ka na masaya dahil sa love is the greatest healer. So that is my reading for you, Virgo. Thank you and God bless.